Introduction to limit state method. The acceptable limit for the safety and serviceability requirements of before failure occurs is called a limit state. The aim of which is to achieve acceptable probabilities that the structure will not become unfit for the use for which it is intended. That is, it will not reach a limit state. Advantages of LSM. Working stress method is based on elasticity, but concrete is a semi-plastic material. It can be used for elastic and plastic theory. The overall sizes members designed is less. LSM is suitable for concrete. Limit state. A structure should be safe and within the limit of serviceability requirements. A limit before failure occurs is called a limit state. Structure should be fit for use. Or it should not deflected excessively. Should not crack, giving tension to usage. Is durable or it is durable or it will not be valuable. Characteristics and design strength. Characteristics of the material is F. The test result does not fall below 5%. Characteristics of the material is F is a test result of the material of the structure. Partial gamma safety factor is used, gamma m. It is 1.5 for concrete and 1.15 for steel. Design strength of material is FT. FT is equal to F by gamma m. Characteristic load F. Partial safety factor for loads gamma F. Design load FT is equal to F into gamma F. Some other points also should be noted. Different limit states. Limit state of collapse. Inflexural, that is bending. Compression, shear and torsion. Limit state of serviceability against deflection, cracking, vibration. Other limit states regarding durability, fatigue and fire resistance, etc. Concrete and steel. Design stress sigma CBC is equal to 0.67 FCK by 1.5. 1.5 is partial safety factor. Then it is 0.446 FCK. FCK is the characteristic strength of concrete. Design strength of steel 0.87 FY in tension and shear. Neutral axis. You know, a rectangular section when bending, there is a neutral axis for which no tension or compression occurs. Under reinforced section, XU actual NA less than limiting value SU max. XU is equal to SU max. Then it is a balanced section. NA will shift due to leave load. That is the dangerous situation when designers want to consider. Designers IS 456 2000 is recommended. SP16 IS 456 and 2000. Or reinforced section is not allowed in LSM. Ductile failure is considered. Thank you.